Okay, this is Omni, and it's honestly a bit ridiculous. One clip of me, and I can change basically everything. Watch this. One snap, and I'm in Santorini. Same me, same clip, I just told it where I wanted to be. Type a sentence, get a whole new world. Weather, time of day, I just told it where I wanted to be. Listens. It'll add things that were never there, give the furniture a personality. Weather, bring your coffee mug to life. Careful what you wish for. It'll add even-handed a sketch, and it turns your doodle into real footage. The trick? Change the world around you, one edit at a time. And if I fancy somewhere cooler, say no more. Whoa, okay, that's genuinely freezing. Nope, not dressed for this. One more snap? Ah, much better. Proper expedition chic. That's Omni. 10 seconds of footage, a sentence of imagination. Prompts are below. Go and break reality.